If you want your Squarespace website to look more polished, more clickable, and way easier to navigate, link buttons are your secret weapon. In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to create stylish, functional link buttons for your Squarespace page. Step by step, no guesswork. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace account. You can sign in using Google or any other preferred method. I'll continue with Google. It's the fastest way to access your dashboard if your accounts are already connected. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all your websites. Go ahead and select the one where you want to add your new link button. This will take you directly to that site's configuration panel. Now, click Edit to enter editing mode. This is where you can modify your page layout, add new elements, and customize your design. Next, decide where you want your button to appear. Maybe it's on your homepage, a product section, or even your contact page. Once you've found the perfect spot, click Add Block. From the block options, choose Button. This instantly adds a button element to your page, a simple, sleek call to action ready to be customized. Now, let's make that button actually work. Click on the link icon above the button. This is where you'll paste the URL or link you want visitors to be taken to, whether that's another page on your site, a product, or an external link. Double check your URL to make sure it's correct, then hit apply. And that's it. You've just created a fully functional link button. Before finishing up, click Save and preview your site. Check that your button looks clean, aligns with your page design, and most importantly, works perfectly. And there you go. In just a few minutes, you've added a small but powerful feature that makes your Squarespace site more interactive, more professional, and more user-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Squarespace tips and design hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!